Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix MOV files not flying on Windows. So only the audio flying and the video is not showing. For example, let me open this file.
You might heard about YouTube labels, right?
The audio is playing but not the video is playing. How you can do that? The link will be in the description down below. So download this file and install it right there. And then click on install and then close. Once you get there, open the app.
You might heard about YouTube labels, right? For example, I go to there
And the problem will be fixed. You just go down there, download the app, install it on your window, and you are good to go. And for more videos like this, subscribe to Solution Nerds. Hope you liked the video. Must comment about this video. Thanks for watching.